from Jayen on Koh Yao Noi.
And we're on the hunt for hornbills. See if we can find them by the papaya trees.
Happy New Year and good mornings from the tiny little island there called Koh Nok. So we have a driver for the day that's driving us around the island of Koh Yao Noi to explore. And first off, he just say pulled over on the side of the road, and he's like, go walk. So yeah, so we've gone out to this beautiful place with crystal clear waters, and then we googled and we discovered that we're on the tiny island of Koh Nok, which is off the mainland of Koh Yao Noi. And stay tuned for more. We've just been going on the little boardwalk to see if we can find the hornbills. Not inside at the moment, but off to the side there was this like steep pathway that looked like scary. Tatu's like, do you really want to go up there? And I'm like, sure, why not? So I'm just catching my breath after walking up all those stairs. Got bitten by mozzies about a bazillion times, but it was worth it. Have a look at this view. So we've just finished our walk through the Koh Yao Mangrove Walkway. Unfortunately, no birdies out today, wrong time of day, but it was still good to come out and see beautiful views. Just spotted a hornbill right up there. Hey buddy.
We're just at the hospital, day 6, trying to get our COVID tests.
Do I give you this? End of day 7. I adopted a kitty today. Hey Fufu.